Writing SEO-friendly blog posts using AI tools doesn't have to be complicated, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly write SEO-optimized blog posts with the help of AI, and I've got a free trial of the best software for you to try along the way. Make sure you watch until the end for all the details. The first thing to keep in mind when using AI to write blog posts is that you want to have a solid keyword strategy. AI tools can help you find and integrate the right keywords, but you need to make sure you're targeting the keywords that matter to your audience. Use an AI tool to analyze your niche and come up with a list of primary and secondary keywords that are relevant to your topic. This helps you get ahead of your competitors. Once you have your keywords, the next step is structuring your blog post for SEO. Use your AI tool to generate an outline for your post. This tool will suggest a logical flow of headings and subheadings, ensuring that your content is easy to read and scan. This is where you can optimize for things like H1, H2, and H3 tags, which AI can automatically insert for you. Now, let's talk about writing the actual content. The AI tool you're using should be able to help you generate high-quality, engaging content that's optimized for SEO. You want to make sure your content is readable, naturally includes your target keywords, and is informative. AI tools can also check your content's keyword density, ensuring that it's not overstuffed, which can hurt your ranking. When you're writing, make sure you're also optimizing for long-tail keywords. These are typically less competitive, but highly targeted, and AI can assist you in weaving them into your content in a natural way. The goal here is to attract both search engines and readers, and long-tail keywords can help you do that effectively. Next up, make sure your content is properly optimized for meta descriptions and title tags. These are key for SEO and often overlooked. AI can help you craft compelling meta descriptions that not only include your target keywords, but also encourage readers to click. For title tags, the AI tool will ensure your headline is both optimized for SEO and appealing to your audience. Let's not forget internal linking. SEO isn't just about the content itself. It's also about how well your blog post connects with the rest of your site. AI can suggest relevant internal links based on your content, improving your site's SEO as a whole. Now, before you hit publish, you need to optimize your images. AI tools can help you write alt text for images, which is essential for SEO. Alt text not only makes your content accessible to a wider audience, but it also improves your rankings in image searches. The last thing to mention is readability. Your AI tool should be able to analyze your blog post's readability score and suggest adjustments. You want to make sure that your content is clear and easy to follow, so your readers stay engaged. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Writing SEO-friendly blog posts using AI tools doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by identifying the right keywords, use AI to structure your post, write engaging content that's naturally optimized, and don't forget about your meta descriptions, internal linking, and image optimization. These are the crucial elements that will help you rank higher and attract more readers. I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the AI software we've been using in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow these steps to create SEO-friendly blog posts that will get you noticed.